Now another money making option is sofa cleaning services. People are getting busier each day. They don't find time to clean their furniture at home and office. If you enjoy cleaning, then you can team up with some semi-skilled or unskilled manpower and start a sofa cleaning service with the help of the right equipment. So, in-house people will do certain cleaning. They will do sofa cleaning very well, but they will do certain thing. But deep cleaning of sofa cleaning for every couple of years is good to them, so that it is better to contact sofa cleaning services providers. Then you can call them and they will see your furniture and they will clean sofa cleaning services and bed cleaning services, and if with some cushion, some chairs are there, those also they will clean very well. But they will use vacuum cleaners and some chemicals. By all these also, it will be very accurately cleaned with a perfect way. So it is good to them. So we can utilize their services very well. It is useful to you and to the useful to the customer and as well as to the provider also. Wishing you all the best.